My name is Nick Bonatadabis, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. On today's episode of Digital Champions, I'm talking about how to make your marketing easier. One of the most important questions that you need to ask yourself is, how much is your time worth? Literally, thinking about how much you would pay yourself per hour. What is it? $20 an hour, $100 an hour, $500 an hour. Once you understand that price, you're going to start to appreciate your time so much more that when you see yourself working on tasks that you don't want to be doing, that you could potentially have someone else do, then it's going to start to make things a lot easier. One thing I always see is people specifically is video editing, trying to do it themselves as a business owner. You as the business owner should not be the one doing the video editing. Your time is so much more valuable. And if you're charging $500 an hour per your time and you're spending an hour doing some video editing, pretty simple math there, you're spending $500 for the amount of time that you're spending on that video. That could be easily outsourced to somebody else. People are often shocked by this, but I actually do not edit my videos anymore. Yes, and I had been editing videos for 6 years, and I have to say, being able to make this transition has been one of the best things I have ever done in my business. The editors that I have working with me are fantastic, and I appreciate them so much because they do great work and they understand my vision. And it's important to have that and understand that you can get the same group for yourself. And it doesn't necessarily have to be video editing, but anything that you do that somebody else could do, that's something you should consider outsourcing to a number of different things, whether it be delegating to an employee within your business or outsourcing to a virtual assistant or just outsourcing to some other work contractors outside. Because in the end, if it's going to cost you that amount of time per hour to spend, then that's time that could be invested in somebody else doing it. We so often don't value our own time because we just think, well, if we're doing it, then it doesn't cost us anything. Well, that's not the case. You are the business owner and you need to be focusing on the most important tasks, as well as the tasks that you like to do the most. You are the business owner. You should be only doing the things that you can do. As one of my mentors, James Wedmore, says, he says, focus in your zone of genius. What do you do really well and what do you like to do? And those are the tasks that you should focus on. Anything else, get rid of. Delegate to somebody else. And it can be as simple as like having somebody read your emails for you. Yes, Tim Ferriss, he has somebody that does that for him. He wrote the 4-Hour Work Week. It is one of the number of things that you can outsource to somebody else that people don't even consider or think about. So when you start to really understand how much your time is worth and you start realizing that doing these lower level tasks or $5 tasks, $10 tasks, and instead focus on the bigger tasks, your business is going to grow and scale, which is the goal. So I hope this helps. Remember, outsource, outsource, outsource. This will change your business. It's changed mine. If you like this content, you will love my free ebook, Video Social 101. Check it out in the links below.